Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Eagle Creek Packing Cubes is probably one of the most versatile and efficient packing solutions for travelers of all types. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker tackling remote trails or a business traveler juggling meetings and sightseeing, these innovative cubes transform the way you organize your luggage, making packing and unpacking a breeze and ensuring you always find what you need, when you need it, no matter how many times you unpack and repack during your travels. Number 5. Eagle Creek Packet Starter Set. This set of 3 packing cubes is designed to make your travel experience easier and more organized. It's the perfect solution for keeping your belongings neat and wrinkle-free. These high-quality nylon bags are built to last. They're easy to clean, so spills and stains won't be a problem. The packet cubes help you stay compact and organized while traveling. Finding what you need will be quick and easy. These packing cubes are designed to fit snugly in your suitcase without wasting space. The included folding board keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. Simply fold or roll your clothes and place them in the cubes. They'll be easy to find when you arrive at your destination. Travel with peace of mind knowing that these packing cubes are backed by Eagle Creek's lifetime warranty. It's a worry-free way to travel. What we like? It's built to last with high-quality materials, and its water-resistant design protects your belongings from spills. If you need a reliable and organized travel companion that can withstand the rigors of the road, this is the perfect choice for you. Its durable construction and multiple compartments ensure your items stay safe and easily accessible during your travels. What people say. I use them first when going to camp. I am a counselor at a week-long sleepaway camp. The bags not only conserved space, they kept my items organized. My duffel bag held more than ever and didn't turn into a black hole of rumpled clothing during the week. I am living out of suitcases 20 weeks per year, and this helps keep my shirts flat and wrinkle-free along with helping to save space and keep everything else in order. In one carry-on bag, 20. Here's what I packed. For men's dress shirts, 1 pair jeans, 1 jogging pants, for t-shirts, 5 underwear, 2 business suits, heavy weight, 2 pair men's dress shoes, belt, toiletry bag, and 8 pair socks. I hung the suits in the garment bag side of the carry-on, and folded the shirts in the medium-sized shirt case using the folding template included. The socks and underwear all fit in the small bag by rolling everything. Jeans, t-shirts, and joggers fit in the medium with rolling, although I folded the jeans and put them on the bottom. Number 4. Eagle Creek Packet Specter Cubes. Tired of overstuffed suitcases? These innovative packing cubes are here to help. They're designed to maximize space and keep your belongings organized. Made from a ripstop fabric, they're incredibly strong yet unbelievably lightweight. You'll barely notice them in your luggage. Watch how easily it compresses your clothes. It saves you space and keeps everything wrinkle-free for your trip. Worried about spills or unexpected rain? It's water-resistant to help protect your clothes from the elements. Perfect for clothing and gear, these cubes help you stay organized and easily find what you need. Say goodbye to rummaging through your bags. Simply pack your items, zip it up, and compress. It's that simple. What we like? This ultra-lightweight design won't weigh down your luggage, yet it's incredibly durable and water-resistant. If you're a light packer who values both durability and minimal weight, this is your ideal travel companion. Its space-saving design and robust construction make it perfect for frequent travelers who prioritize efficiency and protection. What people say. The space saving is incredible. I couldn't believe it. Throughout the years, I have used several strategies to save space inside my bags, like rolling the clothes instead of folding them, or binding them with elastic bands to keep them together and compress them a little bit, but nothing works like these cubes in terms of space saving. Your clothes will not be dancing around the bag and they will be super easy to access. The clothes will not be moving around inside the bag, and once you get to your destination it is super easy to access them. Your clothes don't get all wrinkled like with those traditional vacuum bags. I found that these compression cubes by Eagle Creek do compress a lot and save so much space, but not to the point of getting your clothes all wrinkled to the point that you feel you cannot use them in public unless there's some serious ironing. Number 3. Eagle Creek Packet Cubes. Tired of messy luggage? These innovative cubes transform the way you pack. Get organized and travel smarter. They're tough enough for any adventure, yet incredibly lightweight, saving you precious space and weight in your suitcase. These cubes are made from a durable, yet lightweight material, so you can pack more without adding extra weight to your luggage. Keep your clothes neatly separated and easily accessible. Say goodbye to rummaging through your bag. The convenient two-way zippers allow for quick and easy access to your belongings. No more struggling to find what you need. Grab handles make it easy to lift and carry these cubes, even when fully packed. Perfect for transferring between bags. These packing cubes are the ultimate travel essential for keeping your clothes organized and wrinkle-free. Enjoy stress-free travel. What we like. These cubes are both durable and lightweight, making them perfect for any adventure. The convenient two-way zippers allow for easy access to your belongings. If you prioritize ease of access and durability without sacrificing weight, this is the perfect option for you. Its thoughtful design features make packing and unpacking a breeze. What people say. These cubes are impressively constructed. They hold up beautifully without any signs of ripping or tearing, even when I stuff them to the brim with clothes and travel essentials. The robust zipper, which glides smoothly without snagging, and the breathable mesh top that allows me to easily see the contents at a glance. Lightweight, handy, these kept me organized and made packing and unpacking a breeze. The durable construction of these cubes stands out, with the high-quality materials and sturdy zippers with easy-to-grab pulls. The cubes keep my clothes wrinkle-free and prevent shifting during transit, offering a level of organization that simplifies both packing and unpacking. The mesh top panel of each cube not only provides visibility but also allows for breathability, preventing any musty odors from developing during extended travel periods. Number 2. Eagle Creek Packet Specter Cube. This ultralight packing cube is designed to maximize your luggage space and keep your belongings organized. It weighs only 1.8 ounces and is incredibly durable. Made from water-resistant nylon with a self-repairing zipper, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. The quick grab handle makes it easy to access your items. We recommend rolling your clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. Then, simply place them inside this cube for easy organization. It utilizes every inch of your luggage without adding extra weight. Your items will be organized and easy to access. This is part of Eagle Creek's complete line of travel accessories, including toiletry kits and compression bags. Keep all your essentials organized throughout your trip. It comes with a lifetime warranty. This means it will be repaired or replaced if it fails, no matter the cause. What we like. It boasts an ultra-lightweight design and a self-repairing zipper for ultimate peace of mind. If you're looking for a lightweight and durable solution with added protection against accidental damage, this is the perfect choice. Its innovative features ensure your belongings stay organized and protected throughout your journey. What people say. It holds a surprising amount of clothes. I comfortably fit my raincoat, rain pants, fleece leggings, windbreaker, 3 t-shirts and 1 long-sleeve shirt in it. The fabric is exceptionally lightweight and durable, and the corners fold over so the bag is reinforced and holds its shape when packed full. Going on a 2-week trip, I put all of my clothes in 4 of these and 2 smaller ones. I'm able to pack more than before and take up less space. Number 1. Eagle Creek Packet Set. Say goodbye to messy luggage. This innovative set makes packing and unpacking a breeze. It's designed to keep your belongings organized and protected. These cubes are made from a tough, lightweight ripstop fabric. It's built to withstand the rigors of travel and protect your clothes. They're incredibly lightweight, so they won't add extra weight to your luggage. You'll save space and travel lighter than ever before. Worried about spills or unexpected rain? Don't be. It's water-resistant to help keep your belongings dry. The Isolate cubes keep your clothes fresh and separate, while the Reveal cubes offer easy visibility of your belongings. Packing and unpacking has never been simpler. With these cubes, you can easily organize your clothes, shoes, and toiletries. Keep everything in its place and find what you need quickly. What we like. These cubes are incredibly durable, lightweight, and water-resistant, perfect for protecting your clothes from the elements. If you need a reliable and lightweight option that keeps your belongings safe and dry, this is the perfect choice. Its combination of durability and water resistance makes it ideal for various travel conditions. What people say. Good quality. I prefer these that are see-through mesh so you can see the contents easily. I bought these for a 2-week trip and they really helped keep my suitcase organized. I'm a large person, but I was able to fit 6 rolled tops in the largest pouch and all my underthings in the medium. The smallest pouch is very small. I used it for footy socks, then for electronic stuff, adapter, cords, phone charger, etc. on the way home. These really did the trick. I had no interest in having to wash clothes while on the trip. With these I was able to roll up pants and tops and squeeze lots of them into the cubes. The smallest one was perfect for t-shirts, socks, and underwear. You can fit a lot of clothes into these and then zip them up. Once there, I could take out the cubes and put them on the hotel shelves or in drawers, taking things out as I needed them. They're lightweight and very flexible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.